What is going on, everybody? Tom here. I know, upload consistency on point with this channel. Not really. Unfortunately, this whole pandemic, when you get considered essential, it just makes life a lot more difficult. So yeah, finally got a decent Saturday off where I can come out here and film for you all. So, decided, you know what, I need to get out of the house anyway, get outside, do something more exciting. So, during this whole quarantine, I've been ordering camera equipment here and there. Past some time, they say one of the most dangerous things you can do right now is get on Amazon and start ordering things. But oh well, had enough points saved up to where it didn't matter. What I ordered was free. So, I decided, let's get out one of my various film cameras. Let's have some fun with it. So for that, I decided to go ahead and get out my favorite film camera. I got out my Canon AE1. Hopefully you all can see that. I really love this camera a lot. It's my more artistic film camera in comparison to some of my other cameras in the collection. The pictures always turn out really well. I love it. Have a lot more control over the picture. And of course, for the film, I'm going to be using, once again, just like I did in the last vlog, again, if y'all can see it, I don't know how well that shows up. I'm going to use some Kodak Ultramax 400. It's been kind of overcast today, a little bit cloudy, but it's alright. That's why A, I use 400 film, and B, I actually kind of like the cloudy day look. So in the meantime, kind of on the subject of Amazon, I bought this little gadget. Now, for those wondering what this is a GoPro mount. I can mount this on top of the hot shoe, or I guess in this case it's cold shoe. This is an electronic. Mount this on top of the AE1 and then mount GoPro to it so I can get better camera angles. Because last vlog I did, I was a little bit disappointed. I was trying to film with the GoPro POV head strap and it just didn't work very well. It gets in the way of the camera. I ended up being more worried about the GoPro where I actually had the camera settings wrong. So this kind of frees up a hand, kind of frees the top of my head. It just makes it a lot easier to film with. Also, something else that I got that I've been meaning to try out for a while, and I've been talking about wanting to get more into cinematic video, kind of transition more from vlogging, also a little bit into videography. So I got a Canon 24mm lens, if the camera focuses. I got the Canon EFS 24mm lens. This is a lot more of a cinematic lens than what I've got, which is, my vlog with is the 10 to 18. I also have the 18 to 55, which is more photography specific. Then I have the 50mm, which is not an EFS lens. It's a great lens for this kind of thing, but you have to stand really far back from everything. So this is definitely one that I should have bought a long time ago. It's been in my wish list for a good long time. So, when I was cleaning out a bunch of stuff, I found Best Buy gift cards. So, with the gift cards, 90 bucks. Well worth it. Something I recommend everybody gets. So I want to incorporate that into this video as well. Try to change it up, not just make the same photo vlog over and over again. So for that, of course, I'm going to get out the Mustang that I've got, parked over here, just out of frame. You can't see it. Found a few more cool spots I passed by and thought, that always make good photo spots. Definitely some cool video spots. So I'm going to pack all my stuff up. I'm going to go head out here in a minute. I'll see you all when I get to this photo spot. Alright guys, made it to the photo spot I had in mind. As you can see looking around here, there is absolutely nobody. This is like going on a month of the virus over here. Reclaiming the land is what nature seems to be doing. Just kidding, this spot has actually been abandoned, I want to say, for years. This used to be the site of a little mom and pop restaurant behind me. And I don't think this restaurant has seriously been open since, I want to say, 2008 was when last time I saw this place actually open for business. So yeah, parking lot's abandoned. I'm in the back parking lot right now. I'm gonna Probably doing shots up front as well. But yeah, this is definitely what I really love in a photo spot. It's definitely urban decay at its finest. You got a little bridge over here. You got, it looks like a tree just growing right through it. I mean, you got, clearly I'm not supposed to be back here, so I'm like, I see the little construction stuff. I'm honestly still not sure if this space is even up for rent anymore. This might even just be condemned. I'm pretty sure this is probably gonna get, torn down at some point, but definitely love places like this. I don't know why I'm so drawn to just decay. I really don't. Of course, you got the Mustang once again behind me. Oh boy, had a nice puddle coming in. Luckily, this car hasn't been washed in like 2 weeks. It's definitely dirty again. This car's always dirty, but I enjoy driving it. Actually, since traffic has been less, I actually have been driving this car to work a little bit more. I actually never really drive this car to work. My Tacoma's my daily. This car has always been kind of the weekend car, but hey, you know what? If we can, let's drive it. Let's have some fun with it. Be a little bit late to work, but take the back roads. Yeah, we got a mechanic shop over here. Got a guy working on his Honda. It's kind of ironic though that this business is here, like this abandoned business, because around you got a active mechanic shop. You got I believe there's a Publix grocery store right there. So it's kind of like, how did this get abandoned in the middle of the city like this? But oh well. I'm gonna get some cinematic shots. I'm gonna get the AE1 out. We're gonna take some pictures and some video. See you all when this is all done.
weeks later.
Alright guys, picking this vlog up after 2 weeks. In fact, by the time you all see this video, it will be just over 2 weeks since I took all of the pictures and sent them in for development. Huge shout out to the guy who develops my film, Coastal Film Lab. If you all are in the Tampa Bay area and you shoot and film, take a look at him. For those of us who do not develop our own film, he does amazing work for film photography. So check him out. Huge shameless plug. He does excellent stuff. He even commented on this roll of film and said this is easily the best I've done yet, and I'm very proud of it. As you can see from some of the GoPro clips, I in fact just went full manual with the AE1. Usually I like to do automatic exposure with the AE1. The big problem is, with film and automatic exposure, it always is a stop or two too dark, and you end up losing shadows. So this time I said, you know what, let's do it the right way, let's do full manual. In fact, the picture with the caution tape, I really love that one, because for the first time with film, you can actually see the mesh on the grill of the Mustang. I'm really excited with that. And yes, this was filmed the same day as I filmed all of the cinematic clips. So if you haven't already, go check out the cinematic edit video, which I'll put a card up above. Check that one out, because I did use the same clips again. Try to edit the pictures kind of to match. So I'm really happy with that. Definitely want to do more with that type of video, because that was fun to make, along with the film photography. So hopefully we all enjoy this, because I really am enjoying making different content, not just the same standard videos. So these pictures easily have turned out amazing, and I'll be going on my Instagram first. So if you haven't seen that, I'm going to put that up on screen here, and the link to my Instagram, that's the first link in the description below. Check that out. Those pictures are going to be up there first before this vlog, but I'm really happy with them. I'm just like, I don't know how much I can say that. I really love these pictures. This is reminding me of why I got into film. It's just they end up turning out so much, to me, better. That richness of color. Just digital, I like it, don't get me wrong. I like that instant gratification, but I really love just seeing film with that richness, and plus that joy of keeping alive manual photography. So anyway, let me know in the comments section below what you think about this video. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm going to try to keep bringing you all photo vlogs. I want to keep doing that. I got another photo spot I want to try to hit up before we get to rainy season, because that's coming up pretty soon here. As soon as car shows start, I'm going to be back to bringing you all cars and coffee vlogs, and also the news, and I got at least a couple more I want to film for that, so stay tuned for all of that. But anyway, take care, have a good day.